Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to find documents, images, video sent by WhatsApp contact or friend. You don't need to scroll chat up or down, so you can open your friend chat. So we are going to find all documents which include photos, images, videos. Now on top you see friend name or contact name like my files. So click on it, and then you see media, links and docs. 181 total files. 181 total files we have in this chat. So click on it. Now you see my files, you see media files we have. So you can find document here. Click on docs. You see all document files. Now you see link. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.